Good morning, students. We will continue in lines and angles exercise 2. So some figures they are given here. The question is, which of the following pairs of angles are complementary? So we should understand the word complementary. Complementary means if we add angles, if you are getting 90 degrees, then they are said to be called complementary. Okay. So here 110 is there, 30 is there. If you add these two angles, you can't get 90 because it is 110. One angle is only more than 90 degrees. So 110 plus 30, how much you will get it? 140. So these two are not complementary angles. Pair means two. So if you see this one 90 and 90, these two also if you add, you won't get 90 because one is 90, other is also 90. So you are getting 180. 180 if you got, it is called supplementary angle, not complementary angle. So which of the following pairs of angles are complementary? And in each box they given two angles. And third figure, if you see it, one angle is 80, the other angle is 10. If you add these two angles, 80 plus 10, you are getting 90. So this third one is called complementary angle. Okay. So you have to draw the figures. Question you have to write as it is. And down third figure here, this is complementary angle. You have to write since 80 plus 10 is equals to 90 degrees. Next, if you go for second question, find the complementary angles of the following. So here, how to do the problem, we will see it. He is asking to find the complementary angles. Okay. Now, how to find complementary angles, we'll see. First question, what they given? Find complementary angle for, first question is 25 degrees. For 25 degrees, you have to find a complementary angle. Okay. So you can write solution. How you have to write is, let the complementary angle for 25 is x. So the angle which you have to find, that angle you are assuming as x. One angle, how already they given 25. This x and 25 are which angles? Complementary angles. So complementary angles means the pair of angles if you are adding, you have to get 90 degrees. So 25 degrees plus x degrees, the sum becomes how much here? 90 degrees. So you want the value of x or not? So keep x here only, and right hand side you have 90 degrees. That also you are writing as it is. Plus 25 you are taking to this side. It becomes minus 25. Okay. Next, from 90 you have to subtract 25. So subtractions. Already I hope that you know the subtractions. Again I'll do here. Just see the rough work here. 90 you have to write here. 25 you have to write here. 90 and 25. Subtraction means minus. From 0 you can't subtract 5. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to borrow. So if you borrow 1 here, it becomes 10 here. So 10 minus 5 becomes 5. You already borrowed 1, so remained is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. So from 90, if you subtract 25, you are getting how much here? 65. So what is the complementary angle of 25? 65. So 65 and 25 if you add, you will get 90 only. You have to write down the complementary angle for 25 is 65. Okay. Remaining all just simply if you want to do 90 minus 40. From 90 if you subtract 40, how much you will get it? 50. Very good. That 50 is called complementary angle for 40. From 90 if you subtract 89, how much you will get it? 1. So 1 is called complementary angle for 89. Like if you want to get complementary angle, always the given angle should be subtracted from 90. Okay. Next, third question, if you see two angles are complement to each other and are also equal, find them. Two angles are complement to each other and are also equal. See here, which question it is? Third question. So he said that two angles are complement to each other. Two angles are complement to each other. Complement to each other. Two angles are complement to each other and they are equal. And they are equal. So let one angle be x, the other complement angle for x also will be x only. Other complement angle also be x. So here one angle, if you are taking x, the other angle also will becomes what? Complement angle x only. Why? Because he said that these two are complement and are equal. If one is x means the other also becomes x only. So the rule of complementary angle, two angles sum is equals to 90 degrees, already said to you. So one angle is x, the other complement angle for x is also x, because he said that two angles are complement to each other and also equal, means x plus x is equals to 90. X plus x, it is very easy to add. X means one chocolate, x means another chocolate, one chocolate plus another chocolate. What you will write? Two chocolates. So here it is x before no number is there means 1. Here also x before no number is there means 1. 1x plus 1x becomes 2x is equals to 90 degrees. So this 2 is multiplying to x or not? So x value, if you want to know, you should send this 2 to this side. 2 is multiplying quantity. Multiplying quantity, if you take to right hand side, it will divide. 90 divided by 2. So 90, how we have to divide with 2? Already you know divisions in previous classes. 9 is there. 2 4s are 8. Because 2 5s are 10, 10 is more than 9, you should not take 5. 2 4s are 8 only. From 9 if you subtract 8, you will get 1. Take 0 down, 10. 2 table read up to 10 will come. 2 5s are 10. So 2 1s are 2 45s are. 2 45s are 90. So x is equals to how much here? 45. Means two angles must be equal and they are complement to each other. 45 complement angle is 45 only. So 45 plus 45 is 90. So the answer is 45 degrees. Next, if you will go for next problem, third problem, fourth problem, what he given, see it here. Manasa says each angle in any pair of complementary angles is always acute. Do you agree? Give reason. Manasa says each angle in any pair of complementary angles is always acute. See, this problem leads to concept oriented questions. These are called concept oriented questions. So concept, if anyone they doesn't know, they can't do the problems. What is meant by concept? See here, each angle in any pair of complementary angles. Complementary angles we don't know. We are keeping one is x, the other is y. So if these two are pair of complementary angles, their sum is equals to how much here? 90. Means if one is 30, the other becomes what? 60. Because if you add these two angles, you have to get 90 or not. So now you should know the definition for acute angle. So already I said acute, obtuse, right. Okay. So these three are definitions. What is the definition of acute means? If an angle is less than 90 degrees said to be called acute angle. So two angles if you add you are getting 90. So obviously each angle is less than 90 only or not. One is 89 means the other will be 1. So because the sum should be equals to 90. So if sum is 90, both won't get more than 90 or equal to 90. See here, y is 0 means 90 and 0. 0 angle means it's not a pair. No? If you are taking only one angle as 90, the other angle will be 0. So pair of complementary angles, it won't become. Okay. 0 means there is no angle at all. So that's not acute angle, it's a right angle. Okay. Now, so the concept is, if sum of two angles is 90 degrees, each is less than 90. Okay. So you have some rules also. If you take one cake, okay. So if you take any part from that cake, one part of the cake already you took it outside, and remaining part will be like this. So these two if you add, you are getting full cake. So these two parts always will be, if you compare this part with full or this part with full. So full is always greater than this or not. See, in these two, which is greater? One person is giving choice to you whether you want full cake or part of the cake. So we will prefer full cake only or not? Full cake, like that. So these two, it is 3/4. Okay, even though this is full, it is 3/4. So what you will do is, you will prefer full cake only because full is greater than this one. Like this, part is always lesser than the full. Part is always lesser than the full. These two if you add, you are getting full. So each is smaller than the full one. So from this also you can say that if you add two quantities and each quantity is greater than 1, if you add these two, you are getting 90, means each is smaller than 90. So x and y will be acute angles. Do you agree? Means what you have tried is, yes, I can agree. Each angle in a pair of companies is always acute. Y means sum of two acute angles will give a right angle 90 degrees. Okay. Therefore, each is smaller than 90 degrees. Next, we should know about what is the meaning of supplementary angles. Till now, we read about acute angles or complementary angles we already read. Now we have to know about supplementary angles. These all are very important for your higher classes. So supplementary angles means if you see the textbook here, 120 degrees is given, 60 degrees is given. For 120, if you add 60, sum becomes 180 or not. How to add also you have to listen. 120 you have to write here, 120 and 60. Some students will write 60 here. It is wrong. So whenever you are saying 60, in units place 0, in tens place 6. Whenever you are saying 120, in units place 0, tens place 2, hundreds place 1. Okay. So place values are very important in addition and subtractions. So 120 plus 60 means 0 should be there in units place only, 2 and 6 should be there in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. You have to write like that. Okay. Then addition. 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 6 is 8, 180. So sum of two angles is 180. Then the two angles, they are said to be called supplementary angles. Pair means if two angles are added, then if you got sum as 180, then pair of supplementary angles. Pair means 2. Here 130 is given, 100 is given. 130 and 100 if you add, will you get 180? No, because 130, for 130 if you add 50 only, you are getting 180. But more than 50 means they are not supplementary angles. These two are supplementary angles. Okay. Next, now so in try this, write any 5 pairs of supplementary angles. If you take 10, the other becomes 170. Both if you add, you have to get 180 degrees, like that. Now we'll go for exercise number 3. So what is this exercise number 3? We'll see it here. Now, which are the following pairs of angles are supplementary? Just exercise 2, he said about complementary angles. Now he is saying about supplementary angles. You should not confuse. Complementary means sum of the angles must be 90 degrees. Supplementary angles means sum of the angles must be equals to 180 degrees. Here you see one angle is 110, the other angle is 70. Add these two, 110 and 70. If you add, are you getting 180 or not? Yes, we are getting 180. So these two are called a pair of supplementary angles. Next, second question, if you see 90 and 90, if you add, you are getting what? 180. So these two also pair of supplementary angles only. Next, 50 and 140. If you add 50 to 140, you are getting 190. You should get exactly 180, then only they are said to be called supplementary angles. Here you are not getting 180 exactly. So this third one is not the pair of supplementary angles. So they are not pair of supplementary angles. Next, second question, same like exercise 2 only. There we subtracted the given angle from 90. Here you have to subtract the given angle from 180. So question is, find the supplementary angle for 105 degrees. So you have to find supplementary angle for 105 degrees. What you have to write is, let the supplementary angle for 105 is x. You are assuming as x. Then according to definition of supplementary angles, if you add pair of supplementary angles, you have to get sum as 180. So keep x over here plus 105. Numbers you have to take to one side. 180 is a number, 105 is also number. From 180 you have to subtract 105. How to do subtractions? So 180 right here, 105 right here. From 0 you can't subtract 5. So you have to take borrow. Borrow, if you took it, it becomes 10 here. 10 minus 5 becomes 5. 7 minus 0 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. No need of writing 0. 75. So from 180, if you subtract 105, you are getting 75. So what is the supplementary angle for 105? 75. Okay. Like you have to do remaining. Two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles, justify. So two acute angles can form complementary angles. See, if one angle is acute angle means less than 90. One angle is less than 90, the other is also less than 90. So if it is less than 90, maximum one is 89. Here also 89. If you add these two, you won't get 180 now. If two are 90, then only if you add, you are getting 180. But he said two are acute. Means this angle is also less than 90. This angle also is less than 90. So less than 90 angles, if you add sum, it won't becomes 180. Justify means you have to write same thing. So two acute angles cannot give sum as 180 degrees because acute angle means the angle which is less than 90 degrees. So if you take two angles which are less than 90, the sum, it won't give 180. Next, two angles are equal and supplementary to each other. Find them. Just same problem we done in exercise 2. So there x and x you took it, and x plus x is equals to 90 you wrote there. Here you have to write 180. X plus x is 2x. 2x is equal to 180. X is equals to 180 by 2. And if you cancel, you are getting 90. X is equals to 90. So two angles are equal and they are supplement to each other. If anyone say the angles must be equals to 90, because 90 plus 90 only gives a 180 degrees. So these two are supplement to each other. Thank you. We will see remaining exercise in the next class.